So alright, this is it. The unpackaged galing kay Veilton on GP200X. So thank you Veilton for the opportunity to collab and to try out your latest product. Happy 10th anniversary. So let's open it. Trying to do a quick unboxing. Sneak peek of their new product. The new Veilton GP200X. I'm really excited to try this out. And magiging partner in crime ko siya sa bawat gigs. So what's inside the box? So let's sabay-sabay natin tignan. Tapos natin. Oh, baka may tumalon. Wala. So we have the quick guide in different languages. And we have the box with accessories.